At SCRI, we receive flat panels of many different sizes. Most flat panel monitors come to us with the bases still intact. These bases get removed and placed in bins to be sent out for recycling. The front frames and back panels are then removed. The flat screens usually have a metal backing and circuit boards attached. These are disconnected and binned for shipping. Any remaining metal framework is then removed from the flat panel. The flat panel screens themselves are then placed in cardboard bins and shipped out for recycling.